What if I told you you could make a woman think about you constantly even if right now she doesn't seem interested? This isn't about manipulation. It's about using psychology to flip her focus back onto you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make any woman miss you so badly she starts chasing you. Step 1. The power of absence. Here's the truth. Constant availability kills attraction. If you're always texting, always calling, she'll never have space to miss you. Create distance. Stop giving her endless attention. Humans crave what they don't fully have. Your silence will echo louder than 1,000 words. Step 2. Leave her with emotional highs. Don't end conversations when they get boring. End them when they're at their peak, when she's laughing, engaged, and feeling good. By doing this, her brain links you with positive emotions. She'll replay those highs in her mind when you're gunning. That's when the missing starts. Step 3. Build a life she wants to be part of. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about lifestyle. When you're out there chasing your goals, hanging with friends, and building experiences, you become magnetic. Post a glimpse of your journey's success, fun, growth, and let her see you living fully. Suddenly, she wants to be included in that world. Step 4. Give her a unique emotional connection. If every guy just compliments her beauty, stand out by complimenting her essence. Say, "I admire how passionate you are," or "You see things in such a unique way." When she realizes only you make her feel understood like this, missing you becomes inevitable. So remember, distance creates desire, emotional highs create memories, your lifestyle creates value, and deep connection creates longing. Do this, and even if she wasn't interested before, she find herself thinking about you, missing you, and craving your presence.